Why you need to research. It's been said that no one knows everything there is to know about every subject under the sun. So as a writer, wouldn't you want to get ahead of your rivals by investigating the different viewpoints held on your topic? Many stories have been ruined because the author didn't do enough research before writing. Look, I've noticed over and over again that too many authors lose their credibility because they don't do enough research. They don't know their readers, the time period, the place, or their characters. They also don't know the latest developments in their field of expertise, which I find amazing, or the evidence that proves the arguments that they are making in their book. Do you need to find industry-specific information for your readers? Do you know where and how to find this information? And do you know how to organize your research materials so that they make sense? Are you aware that the way a writer does research for their book is the key to understanding what makes them an author and their book a success? The research that you need to do is the same whether you are writing fiction or nonfiction. And it's vital that you do research before you start writing and keep researching as you write. If you're a fiction writer, then you do research to get a clear and accurate picture of the time period, place, and characters in your stories. This is because you are building a world where your readers need to find a balance between the facts and their imagination. The more you know about an era, a place, a character, the easier it will be to build this world. Now, if you're a nonfiction writer, then your research means revealing a world by testing the basis of arguments and gathering the evidence to prove them to your readers. It's been said that research is both a blessing and a curse for authors. So why not choose to make your research a blessing and join this free masterclass on research for writing a book? If you want to gain expert methods, tools and rules for book research and how you can build your credibility and bring your book to life, then this is the course for you. And if you want to learn how to research a book like a pro, as well as learn how to organize hundreds of pieces of information you've been collecting to write your book, then to gain access to this free masterclass on how to research your book, click the link below and set yourself up for success and learn how to do research for your book and lay the foundation for a compelling and realistic story that your readers are going to absolutely love. If you like what you've heard and want to learn more about how to write and publish a book successfully, please like and subscribe to see more industry standard tips and techniques. If you really want to take your writing to the next level, don't forget to check out our courses on our website at theinsiderexpert.com.